Hey, it's Christina with Tinagirl Life. I went to a garage sale. I found a Squishmallow for $5. Before I give it to the grandkids though, I want to wash it and make it nice and clean for them. So we're going to check it out and see if you can wash a Squishmallow in a washing machine. Let's check it out. Now I would put it in with some towels and I put it in. We'll add a little detergent and we'll put it on a delicate cycle with a cool wash. Now I do want to point out that the company that makes Squishmallows does not want their puffy friends going through the washing machine. But let's face it, sometimes gross things happen when kids are around and it's either throw it in the machine or throw it out. Believe me, I've been there. So that's why we're doing this little test. Are you alive? Oh, you're heavy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. You know what? I'm going to give you a little spin. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? I really, truly love Squishmallows. They are absolutely adorable. How's it going in there? Let's put her in the dryer. I'm gonna let her tumble around in there by herself. In 2022, Squishmallow was the #1 best-selling toy, and there's a special rating scale ranging from rare, ultra rare, special edition, select series, check-in series, and a founder's edition. So interesting. Okay, so what are my thoughts on washing a Squishmallow? Yes, you can do it, but keep in mind, if you can spot wash instead, I would go ahead and do that because there's a lot of stuffing in this little fella or this little gal, and it takes a long time to dry that stuffing. So she's gone through the dryer several times, and I've had her sitting outside in the sunshine because it's nice and hot right now. And I think that's the way to fully dry. You want to make sure, because even as I toss her around, she's pretty heavy. I can feel that there's still some moisture in there. You definitely want to make sure that all these seams are in good condition if you're going to put it in the washing machine so she doesn't break apart and you have stuffing everywhere. So yeah, spot wash if you can. If somehow it's completely filthy and you do need to wash it, it can be done, but just keep in mind it's going to take a long time to dry. Hey, thanks for watching Tinagirl Life. I hope I answered your question today. Be sure to give my video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos.